Welcome back to the channel. I'm Rochelle. This is Brampton Gardener, and today is going to be my last video for 2023. So 2023 was a pretty big year for me. I started off in January going to visit my parents up in Anchorage, Alaska, and I do have a whole series of videos on that if you're interested from last January. And then forwarding into February, March, April, I was getting started with all of the seeds, and I started so many new varieties last year of peppers and all new tomatoes, and I really branched out into a lot of the micro tomatoes. This coming year, I have a lot of new seeds that I have ordered. I'm going to be doing some seed swaps with and getting into gifts and Christmas prizes. I won a $200 gift from Vandermeer Gardens and Stoke Seeds. So it's a $100 gift card for Stoke Seeds, and then it's a $50 gift card for Vandermeer Nurseries and their and a bouquet. So very exciting, and I haven't even, I'm still in kind of Christmas mode. I haven't broke down into seed starting mode yet, which will be happening probably in the next week or so, organizing, thinking through what I want. And I will definitely be going back on their website and figuring out what new seeds I want to try in the new year. So Christmas is almost over. Tomorrow is New Year's Day, which is traditionally the day that we take down all of our Christmas decor. It goes up in November. This year it went up November 12th. It was a bit earlier than normal, but I was going to be gone the following weekend, and we didn't want to have to wait till the very end of November. Here in Canada, we have Thanksgiving in October. So we put the tree up early in November. We enjoy it throughout the season, but thank you. New Year's Day is traditionally when it comes down, because we have a lot of new stuff happening in January with the growing and the gardening, and New Year's Day is a day that we're always all home. So it's just become a tradition. That's when we take down the tree. So let's just talk about, I'll show you a few things that I did get for Christmas that are gardening related. The first one up, and I'll pop a picture up on the screen because it was so cute. This was from my friend Shannon, and I love it. It's a very curated gardening gift. So here at the outer packaging is this lovely little garden gnome paper. So cute. It was wrapped with these adorable little ornaments. I love these so much. Here, I'll show you. It's a little spade and trowel fork thingy. And I was so excited to get these because I had actually looked. I've been to a few garden centers. I wanted a gardening related, I was thinking a little trowel or something, ornament, and I couldn't find anything. I found a couple and they were ugly. They were ugly. These are so cute. Thanks, Canadian Tire. She had to go to 3 Canadian Tires to find it. She saw the flyer. And then the gift itself is the cutest little tea towel, which are all seed packets, like vintage seed packets. Isn't that so pretty? I don't know if I'll be able to use it. I don't want to get it dirty. Maybe for bread. And then Daffodil Lego. I love Lego. I love putting stuff together, and these are super cute. I can't wait to stick them in a vase. So they're flowers that I do not have to worry about ever fading. So thank you very much, Shannon. On a related note, everything's gonna fall out. My husband bought me some Lego flowers as well. So you can tell they really know me. The other gift I got for gardening related gifts from my husband is this ammo box. This is from Princess Auto, and I had seen a lot of people on the reviews were using these for seeds. So it comes with the large one, and then inside it's got 2 more, and then this one actually has a smaller one inside. It's like a matryoshka of, does it smell good? Of ammo boxes, but they are like watertight, mouse proof, and I hadn't really worried about that too much, but I watched Nicole at Flower Hill Farms video yesterday. So I hadn't really worried too much about anything getting into my seeds, being as I do keep them in the house, but I was watching Nicole at Flower Hill Farm yesterday's video, and she lost like over $1,000 worth of seeds, mainly I think it was sunflowers and zinnias. And some of them she doesn't even know which packets they were that she has to replace because they had destroyed them completely. So if like you go through all this, especially seeds that I've saved myself from my garden and things like that. Like I just have them in a cardboard box. So they definitely need to get transferred to something that is much safer like this. So thank you very much to my husband for that. So coming up next year for the garden, I really have no idea. Like I have not. That would be Dexter sitting on all.
Can I say my dog ate my homework now?
Your dog, well, he didn't really eat it, he just sat on it all.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, this video will have more outtakes than intakes, I think. So this is how 2023 has gone. Let's hope 2024 is better. So, question for you all, please drop your guesses down into the chat. Whoever gets a correct guess will be entered to win a packet of seeds and a sticker. So the question of this video is going to be, and I will leave it in the description box below. Back to the question. The question is, if you get this right, you'll be entered to win some seeds. When this tree goes away tomorrow, what is going in its place? What will the Christmas tree little cubby become on January 1st? That is the question. So if you know the answer, or you think you might know the answer, or you have some guesses, drop your guesses down in the comments below, and all will be revealed in my next video. So thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you again in the new year, and I love you all very much. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and Happy New Year. Okay, Sid, can you go bring it to Sydney. We're not playing with the squeaky toy right now. We're filming. I know. It's such a nice squeaky toy. Here. How about I just hold you? We can cuddle. How about we can cuddle on chat? Now, oh, can you turn it around? This is the hardest video I've had to do for the year. I can't get the stand. I can't get anything.
Putting all your struggles into one video.
All my struggles into one video. This is the struggliest video. Okay, now that I've flipped the thing around, I can see what's happening. And go. Take 10.
Dexter!
You see a squirrel, buddy?
It's right for you.
Get him.
You're threatening him. I'm telling him to shut up. He's telling him to get him. He's getting mixed messages.
Dexter! Oh my god.
Yeah, he's gonna protect the garden from this. Dexter! He's driving me nuts. Parkour! Parkour!
Oh my god.
Okay, I don't know. He just jumped off the back of the couch, landed on the bolster, and took off. Okay, so the question.